Oh yeah, looky here. Red-winged blackbirds are singing. Big old Canada goose sitting in this nest box behind me. I don't want to upset her or him, whoever's sitting on the egg. Hopefully you can hear the red-winged blackbirds singing today. Pretty bird. Sorry, shooting at the sky. Anyway, got my Waco carbonic hat on today instead of my Don't Mess with Texas hat. Maybe Facebook won't black out the photo today since I've got a Waco carbonic hat on. Maybe that won't offend too many people. Oh, there's red-winged blackbirds all in here now. Singing. Cattails. Some mallard ducks coming in a minute ago. Gophers are running around. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Yeah. Y'all are singing. They're singing their songs. Pretty birds. Pretty birds. Red-winged blackbirds singing. Fighting over the females. Maybe you can see that Canada goose's head sticking up out of that. Like a big nest bowl. Gophers are calling. Gophers out running around. Moon's already up. Life is good. Montana. Boy, it's warm. Mucho warm. Sing it, brother. Oh, they're chasing each other. Chasing each other and singing. Chasing each other and singing. Every time I try to get a shot of the gophers, you can't see them very good. They're out there. Well, here's Senor Gopher, the infamous gopher, Colombian ground squirrel. They're all out here enjoying the sunshine. They're over there running around playing, having fun. There's one right there. There's one way back there. There's a little guy right here. Peaceful little spot. Like I keep saying, right here, high density subdivision in the city. There's a spot. Here's a spot where you can see them. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Okay. Good dog. Good dog. Mama, that guy's crazy. Talking to himself. Pretty song. Well, get plenty of red-winged blackbirds singing today. They are singing up a storm. Beautiful spring day. Mama Goose. Life is good. Take 3 deep breaths. It'll relax you. Breathing's a leader. Lower your heart rate. Lower your blood pressure. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like, share, comment. Hope y'all are having a great day. Protect your family and friends. Have a good one. Adios.